because the brain, we are naturally wired to survive, and we're naturally wired to find solutions. And one of the things that we are playing with is trusting ourselves to move out of the known into the unknown. And that's a skill that we need to build. And so the 3 M's, when we notice something and then we name it and we choose new, it's like we've got to choose a new solution, because the ones that we've been using up till now maybe haven't been working so well. And it's time to choose a new way. So I'll put that now to food, because one of the reasons we're all together here is about food. So I was cooking lunch, and one of the habits that I have had in the past is to go in and while I'm cooking, find something crunchy to eat while I am cooking. So I noticed it, and I just noticed that I had this tendency. So I want to go, I'm ready to go for the chips. It was, it was just like a boom, I'm ready to go for the chips. I'm ready to go for something crunchy. And I became aware of it, and I named it. I want something crunchy. And there's that pause, like noticing it. I'm not making it wrong. I'm just becoming aware that it's lunchtime, I'm going to cook, and now I'm looking for something crunchy. And I want to choose new. It's not serving me to do that, so I'm just going to close the door, pour a glass of water, and finish cooking lunch. And rinse and repeat over and over and over again. So I hope this is helpful. I hope you're all doing well. Thanks. Bye-bye.